How to change the swipe on Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. How to change the swipe on Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down and click on Settings. Here you want to click on General Settings and then click on Swipe Actions. As you can see, you have two swipe actions. You have a left one and a right one. And depending on which swipe you want to change the actions of, click on the change button next to it and then select an action, say for example delete, and the other one to move to. And that's it. Now the swipes will change their functions according to what you have chosen. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the swipes in Gmail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.